package opening video with a difference. There you got this. Somebody. I think it's from Retro Gamer. Put it there. There you go. Put your beak into it. So I'll get you started. Funny enough, there's a corner you started before, wasn't there? Before I start. There you go. Double team. Here, where's that bit of paper? Play with that. We'll find that entertaining for a few minutes. Whilst we do this. Oh, you can tell. You can have a look. There's a few games in there. Parrot one. No, you can't have the bubble wrap. You can't have the bubble. You can't have it. No. See, we got kangaroo. No. Not a toy. Not a toy for you. Have the paper, right? Centipede. I actually already have a copy of Centipede, but in my youth, I went through a phase of Tipp-Exing things, and I put Tipp-Ex all over the bloody thing. So, replacement. There you go. That's one for you as well, Mum. You can't have it. It's not a toy. What is this one? River Raid, the game. Let go. No. Mine. The game everybody likes, and I've never really had a proper go of it, so I'll probably give me a Atari later. This is something for a computer club. Start doing this with one hand. Something for computer club. Please stick. Look, no. You got paper. Have the paper. Honestly. I've got to give you a bit of cardboard now, haven't I? Do you want the bubble wrap? And you can't have it. Do you want that? And you can't have it. Do you want it? And you can't have it. Right. See, yeah, that's basically... I've not bought anything this week. No, stop. Stop. I know you're breaking these bloody games, you little sod. Right? Centipede. Silverlight. Never mind being different. Kangaroo. And then another game that I've had a kind of history with. I won't go into it. Stop. You have that. You have that. Don't go in the box. Don't go in the box. In the box. Birdie. I don't have to do that. If you do that. No, you won't do it. You won't do it while it's on camera, will you? Yeah, that's my pickups. There you go. Unpacking with the parrot. There you go. You have that. Have that. Where are you? There you are. Right. Oh, that's still a bloody mess. Right. That's it, really. Let's go. You like? No, have that. Have it. Have it. Have that. Did it die? Yeah, okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Give it a kiss.